My name is Gloria Lynch, and I am a clinical instructor at ASA College in Manhattan in New York City. And I want to talk to you about the Ophthalmic Dispensing program that we have here at ASA that will prepare you for your New York State license. And that will give you an entree into a wonderful profession where we work with people and we help meet their visual needs. And we take them from when they get their prescription at the doctor's office, and then they come to us and we help them design the lenses and the frames that will make their lives better. And how do we do this? Well, first of all, our faculty here at ASA is very dedicated and very experienced in teaching. All of us on the faculty have been teaching for quite a long time, and we all come from a background of hands-on in the real world in optical stores and in clinic settings. And when you come to the school, our curriculum is designed so that you will have hands-on with state-of-the-art equipment for making eyeglasses and also for the contact lens portion that you will learn about at school. So with this fabrication equipment that you have, you'll actually be making eyeglasses that can be worn. You can make eyeglasses for your family, for your friends, and that will also help you when you get out into the field. You'll be familiar with the equipment that they have out there. And to that end, we have in our last term, we have an externship program where you can get 3 college credits for working in the field and doing all the duties that an optician would be doing, taking measurements, selecting frames, and designing lenses for them, and then actually fitting the glasses to their head once they're ready. And besides getting us ready for real hands-on experience, you will be definitely prepared to pass the licensing exams that you need to take in order to get that license and in order to get that degree. And with the licensing exam, we prepare you for your national exam that you need to take, and we also will prepare you for the New York State Practical, which is a very face-to-face, one-on-one exam where you'll be observed taking care of a patient. And to that end, here at ASA in our Career Services Department, we have a wonderful program where you will be learning how to do a good interview and the tips that you need to have so that you'd stand out when you go on that job interview. You'll be told how to dress, you'll be told how to speak, you'll be told how to comport yourself and make eye contact with the people that are interviewing with you. And then even after you've graduated the program, the Career Services program is here to continue to help you get a good job, a job that will definitely meet your needs. And where are these jobs that you could get anyway? You could be working in clinics, you could be working in optical stores, you'll be managers in optical stores, you'll be working in clinical settings with ophthalmologists and optometrists fitting contacts. And very importantly, you'll be your own business. Once you're New York State licensed, you are your own business. You can open up your own store. And that does not necessarily mean a brick and mortar place. You can open up right from your home. Because with that license, you get a tax ID number and you start your own business. And that is a wonderful, wonderful aspect of being an optician. And that has reached out to people all over the world for us. Our students come from all over the world. They come from Europe, they come from Africa, they come from South America, and of course they come right here from New York City. But we have a very diverse student body. We also have people from Asia, and we have many languages spoken in the classroom. And we blend and we work hard, and we will work with you until you actually get that license, get that degree, and get that position that you would like.